What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going, I don't understand that. Okay, so if you've been following me on Instagram and maybe Facebook, I have finally gotten all of my packages from the conspiracy collection that Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star did. So that day I had to make 3 separate orders in order to get everything I wanted. And it was a nightmare if you were on the website as well trying to order because it just wasn't working. So luckily I was able to get a few things. I did not get everything out of the collection, but I got the main important items. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna unbox these babies, do some swatches, and let you guys see what's up with the conspiracy collection. Okay, first things first, I need to take a drink. So, yes, this is Red Bull Yellow Edition. If you drink Red Bulls, this is the best one. I love it. So, first thing I got, the first package that actually came in, and I already have been using it, so I had to use it. I just had to. So, the first thing I got was this makeup bag. And I didn't even take the tag off, even though I used it, because I wanted to show you guys. So, here's the little tag with both their logos. And this is the one that has the 2 zippers, but it opens up. And you can put everything you want in there. Mine's a little bit dirty because I've had makeup brushes and other things in here. But I was super excited to get it. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be, which for me is perfect because I always tend to purchase something that's not enough. So this is absolutely perfect, especially if I'm just grabbing stuff to take that I use every day. I have a ton of room to add like everything in here. And it is just so nice. And it's like so nicely made. So, but this is it. And it has the little star and the pig. And it is just gorgeous and feels great. I mean, it is just exceptional. So I got this and I'm so excited about it. It is perfect. And then the next thing, the second package that came in, and it didn't look like this. Okay, obviously it was wrapped up better, but I already unwrapped it to make sure everything was good to go. But it came nicely wrapped. And I got, this is the mini controversy. So I did get the mini palette. And this is the unicarton that it comes in. And then here it is, the actual packaging. Like, how stunning is that? And it does come with a mirror. And then it has all these shades right here. So I love this. I love how they put the imprints of like the tea, root beer, like Shane's symbol, Jeffree's symbol, like everything. I think it is just absolutely stunning and gorgeous. I'm gonna go ahead and pop in some swatches so you guys can see what they look like, but this is amazing. And if you go to my Instagram, I'll have that link down below. We swatched a couple of shades already. And they were so creamy and just so nice. Like I mean, his eyeshadows are just amazing. So this is a good purchase. But anyways, we're gonna move on to the next one. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and pop in swatches so you guys can see exactly what these shades look like. First row, Flat Earth, Cry on My Couch, My Boyfriend's Purse. Second row, Controversy, Diet Root Beer, My Apology. Third row, exposed, canceled, and the simulation. And I will probably try and do a little tutorial as well, because there will be a restock if you did not get a chance to get this. But this is the mini controversy. All right, last package is a little bit bigger. And then, like I said, obviously it didn't come packaged exactly like this, but I was able to get the big palette, the conspiracy palette. I don't want it to fall. That would be terrible. As well as the gloss. So I'm going to go ahead and just do the gloss. So this is Shane's gloss that he came out with, and it is named Shane Glosson. I love that name. I honestly wish that Shane would change his name from Shane Dawson to Shane Glosson and just be that person from now on, because that is hilarious. And the fact that they actually named this that is even better. But just like everything else, it comes in his like black packaging, since it is part of the conspiracy collection. And then this is what it looks like right here. So it does look, the packaging is similar. This is another Jeffree Star Gloss, but the packaging is similar where it has this top right here, but Shane's is this color. And then let me put this down. And then as well, it has Jeffree's logo, but it also has Shane's logo. So this is the gloss, and it's just a clear gloss. I don't really want to put anything on right now because I got my lips on. But if you get it and you haven't had the chance, it smells like Diet root beer. Ugh. The fact that they got that smell into this gloss is everything. What's the matter, girl? You don't want to be in the video? You want to say, hey Shane, hey Jeffree, we love you. So the last thing I got out of the collection is the conspiracy palette. And this is the packaging right here. It is so iconic, so just legendary. Everything else that you could think of. And this, my friends, this is it. This is it. First time on video, taking the tape off so you can see. Oh my God, this is stunning. It is beautiful. It is everything I hoped that it would be and more. And it just, this is it. The conspiracy palette in all its glory. I will insert swatches for you guys so you guys can see each row. I'll do each row at a time. First one is called Ranch. Second one is My Pills. The third one is called Tanacon. You can see that, that's like the shade of my skin. The fourth one is Diet Root Beer. Fifth one is called Just a Theory. And then the sixth one is called Spiraling. So this is the top row of that palette. Second row, Conspiracy, Pigment, Food Videos, Trisha, Cheese Dust, and Flaming Hot. So these are all those shades. What's the tea? Wow. Diet Cola. Not a fact. Sleep paralysis. Illuminati. And my rides here. So this is the bottom row. Which right now I'm like totally gravitating to because that's so like fall kind of color. Just like the mini controversy and just like all of his other palettes, creamy, I mean, great formula, blends great. I mean, it is perfect. And I just absolutely love it. And you can kind of tell, like, I've already swatched some and played around with some. But it is everything that they said it would be. It is beautiful. But this is Conspiracy. And I am just so happy for Shane and so happy for Jeffree. And it is beautiful. You can tell the amount of hard work and like that they put in to make these products and to do them. And just watching the series, you can see how much they cared about it. And I mean, holding this now, you can definitely tell. I mean, it's nice, it's heavy. I mean, it is a nice palette and it's amazing packaging. It is stunning. I'm just so finally happy to finally have these items in my hands here at the house. They're in perfect condition. I have no issues with them. If you didn't get a chance to get it, they are going to do a restock. I know they already did the pre-orders, but I think March maybe, or you can probably go to a Morphe store and maybe get one in store. But I am just so happy right now to have all of these because they are so nice. But I absolutely love them. They are, according to Jeffree, for me, they are Anna Hicks approved. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and enjoyed the swatches. If you enjoy things like this, be sure and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye, y'all.